ginawa naming rides. Say hi. Hi. I'm Paris. We're at the...
Hi, Daddy.
Nagano ka, mag-hi ka sa tao. Hi.
Hi.
We're in where?
We're here.
Hi. Bilis lang pala, no? Paris. We're at the...
Hi, Daddy.
We're at Marky Mall.
Okay, Mom.
We're riding the e-bike. We're riding the e-bike. Oh, lakad tayo sa ulan.
Living life is fun and we just begun to get our share of this world's delight. I hope we have
Pip, pip,
for
pip,
the
pip.
future and our goals inside. We know we don't get depressed. Here's what we call our golden
Ano si
rule.
Mama? Ay, ito
Have
pala si
faith
Mama.
in you and the things you do. You won't go wrong. Oh no, this is our family feud.
Tita. Tita. Oh my God.
Saya pala eh. Oh my God. Hey, hold the phone. Hold mo dito, here. Para mag-video tayo. No, don't. Oh, hold mo lang ganyan. Hi guys. Wow, ang push. Ganyan. Hold it properly, ah.
Where do I push it? Where do we picture? This one?
Sabi, mag-ano ka, mag-hi ka sa tao. Hi. Sabi,
Hi.
we're in where?
We're here. Can you hold it now? I want you to hold it.
Hi ka na, bye.
Bye bye. You never catch us, mommy.
Labas tayo. Ha? Di tayo lalabas?
Let's see tayo po. Let's go that way, Dad. Daddy.
Hi ka, hi.
Hi. Be careful, you're gonna drop your phone.
Bye-bye.